How to remove pages from a PDF file online and delete unwanted pages from your document for free. If you have a PDF with extra pages and want to remove specific pages without editing the entire document, you can easily do it using an online PDF tool. First, open your web browser and search for I Love PDF Remove Pages. Open the official I Love PDF website. Now click on Upload to edit, and upload the PDF document from which you want to remove pages. Once your PDF is uploaded, you will see all the pages of your document. Select the pages you want to delete. For example, you can choose individual pages, like page 4, page 10, or even select a range of pages. Click on Delete key from your keyboard. Then tap Delete. The tool will process your PDF and create a new file without those selected pages. Once the process is complete, click on Done. And finally click on Download to save the edited document to your device. Now open the downloaded PDF and you will see that the unwanted pages have been removed while keeping the rest of the document unchanged. So that's how you can delete pages from a PDF file online for free. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful computer tips and step-by-step guides just like this.